The Adventure King's battery monitor does so much more than just tell you your battery's voltage. In fact, it's a programmable low voltage disconnect, an ammeter, an overcurrent cutoff, and a battery monitor all in one. Designed by the same Aussie engineers behind the Adventure King's DC-DC charger, it's an awesome bit of kit that at a glance tells you battery voltage, charge or discharging current, and an approximate battery capacity with both a visual guide and an estimated battery percentage. It's super easy to install and it's designed to work with your DC-DC charger. And because it displays both charging and discharging current, you can confirm or troubleshoot whether your DC-DC charger is providing alternator and solar power. If you're putting 9 amps of solar power in, but your fridge is drawing 2 amps, it will show a 7 amp positive charging rate, which makes monitoring and troubleshooting your system so easy. It'll work with a typical dual battery isolator setup as well, or you could plug a solar regulator directly in for the same function. But not only can it monitor your battery, this smart unit can protect it as well, from both low and high voltage and overcurrent situations. The best part is it's also user programmable. You can choose your battery type, your battery capacity from 80 to 360 amp hours, and then set the low voltage limit or the overcurrent cutoff to protect your battery in just about any situation. The low voltage range is adjustable between 10.5 and 12.5 volts, and then the automatic reconnect can be set from 11 to 12.8 volts. While the current cutoff can be set from 5 to 100 amps in 5 amp intervals. That's hugely useful when you want to make the most of your battery or prevent excess power loss. Even the time delay before cutout is up to you. So if you want an instant cutoff right up to a 2-minute delay, you're covered. Some low voltage disconnects cut off at a preset 11 or even 10.5 volts, which is way too low for some setups and could seriously affect the health or life of your battery. With all the parameters up to you and an easy to read screen with both volts and an amperage output, the Adventure King's battery monitor puts the power back in your hands.